Only in Philly, bro. I ain't gonna put your face in there. How much you want for him? $5?
Maybe.
Maybe.
You're like 5.
Man, that's crazy. Only in Philly, yo.
You know who put like this, yo?
Only in Cousinton, you heard? That's a real one.
You know who put like
yes,
$1,000 a month in bird pigeon? Huh? Yeah, the whole
Should I
junk,
keep
yo.
him as a pet or cookie?
Yo, Bolito's dad.
Would you keep him as a pet or cookie?
Nah, I don't never cook this shit.
Yo, he gonna bite it.
You gotta make sure he eat, you heard?
Man, I dropped that nickel in here. Yeah, he's not gonna, he's nervous as shit.